Good morning, Wednesday, February 28th. I'm back in Orlando. I'm back in my car, back in Orlando, Florida. Once again, this Wednesday, February 28th, I believe. I'm officially back in Orlando, back in Florida. So I'm back. I still got some more trucking stuff to do, but it's all gonna be Florida, by the way. Um, I'm gonna try to keep it always. I'm gonna try to keep it always in Florida, to where I'm gonna try to not leave Florida. So I'm back. I'm back in Orlando. I'm back in Florida right now. This Wednesday, February 28th.